Manitoba government has declared a province-wide state of emergency due to the wildfire situation. This is a significant step we are taking to uphold our obligation to keep people safe. We're talking about roughly 17,000 people that we are looking to provide safety to and to prevent the loss of life. The wildfires in northern Manitoba have intensified since we gave our update this morning. Wildfire and emergency management officials have now been advised that evacuation orders have been issued for the city of Flin Flon, the communities of Pimichigamak Cree Nation, Puckatawagan Cree Nation, and the Northern Affairs community of Cross Lake. All told, we're looking at about 17,000 people in northern communities that are being evacuated from their homes over the next few hours. The majority of these folks will be coming to Winnipeg. This is the largest evacuation Manitoba will have seen in most people's living memory. For that reason, our government has triggered a province-wide state of emergency to allow us to respond to this crisis. It will provide provincial officials the ability to safely transport evacuees and to provide shelter for them. As we speak, officials are coordinating with local leaders and law enforcement to support evacuees. We're working alongside the City of Winnipeg and others who have facilities to prepare to welcome our fellow Manitobans. Earlier today, I spoke with Prime Minister Mark Carney to notify him of the state of emergency we have declared and to ask for help from the Canadian Armed Forces. The Prime Minister agreed to that request. I also had an opportunity to speak to Premier Scott Moe of Saskatchewan, and we're working together to ensure any Saskatchewan people and Manitobans who are accessing healthcare in our province and will be impacted by this disruption to healthcare will be cared for. We are already engaging with the Canadian Armed Forces in a very deep way to ensure that flights to move these thousands of people will be deployed imminently. Emergency Measures has triggered emergency alerts in Pimichigamak, Cross Lake, and Flin Flon with specific instructions about how to make your way to safety. All Manitobans should now have received an emergency alert on your phone informing you about the state of emergency being declared province-wide.